Good afternoon, everyone. This is your commissioner here to talk to you a little bit about our preparedness for the COVID-19 virus. Preparedness over panic is the motto that DCF has decided to utilize through this. We have been in regular contact with officials from the Connecticut Department of Public Health on a daily basis. They remain in contact with the Center for Disease Control and the national model in terms of responsiveness. We are learning from other jurisdictions, and we are confident that Connecticut is prepared for the worst, but are expecting the best. For us here at DCF, it's important for you to recognize that there are several divisions that have been working tirelessly, even through the weekends, to ensure that we have addressed all of the potential concerns that may arise. We have people from engineering, fiscal, human resources, IT, communications, our foster care division, our facilities, our area offices, our medical divisions, our education divisions, and a whole host more that are working on specific responses to DCF's preparedness for COVID-19. I also want to direct your attention to the email that was sent by the governor to all executive branch employees this morning. Specifically, it was to highlight and make sure that we all know that the first identified case of COVID-19 has come up in Connecticut. This is important because the travel bans that you all may have heard about have moved into the stage of community transmission, which means that if there were to be positive cases that transmit between people that haven't traveled, the preparedness takes on a different tone. In referencing Governor Lamont's March 9, 2020 memo, I want to highlight a few points. Effective immediately, any state employee business for traveling outside of the state of Connecticut has been suspended until further notice. Any employees working with an out-of-state contractor will also be evaluated by the administration. Any attendance at gatherings that participation is expected to have over 100 participants will be evaluated to determine if that particular conference can be teleconferenced or should be postponed. For employees that have technology or mobile devices already assigned, please be in the habit of taking those devices home with you, not leaving them in the car, and making sure that they are adequately charged and the charging devices are along with you. You also want to make sure that we are exploring and using social distancing rules, which means that we communicate at arm's length with each other. Each location has been supplied with cleaning supplies, disinfectant, and additional supplies to ensure that there is adequate hand soap in the dispensers. There's also guidance in the governor's memo regarding specific respiratory concerns and medical considerations that you should take into account. Lastly, wash your hands thoroughly and often throughout the day using warm water and soap. Cough and sneeze into your elbow, as viruses can be spread by coughing or sneezing on other people onto your hands. Stay home from work or school if you are sick, and avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth as germs are spread this way. Specifically, for the most up-to-date information, and again, this changes regularly, almost daily, the state of Connecticut has used guidance from the CDC, which can be found on Connecticut or ct.gov/coronavirus, or you can also sign up for the governor's mailing list on his website specific to COVID-19. We all appreciate the work that all of our employees do on a day-to-day basis, and I want to assure you that here at DCF, your safety, your health, and the health and safety of the kids and families that we serve is of the utmost importance. Preparedness, not panic, is what DCF is and how we will continue to operate.